Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this awesome pressure cooking pot. You can use this as just a large pot as well. Heat up some hot cider, you name it. Comes with a really nice microfiber cloth here. The name of the brand is Pojaikob. Has built-in carrying handles made of stainless steel. Has a spout with a really nice valve, by the way. Turn on and off. Silicone seals on both the inside and outside. Even comes with a crescent wrench to tighten it down. And a little removable filter as well, which is cool. Comes with a ladle, so you can ladle stuff out if you desire. All nice and stainless steel. Then comes with your top and a pressure relief valve right here. Put that on there, clamp it all down. Pre-clamped just like so. Was sent to me for review.